So now you're pretty much ready to install your cartridge, but before you do that, there is a flush plug in place. The flush plug's there so that you can flush out your hot and cold lines and whatever outlets you have, in this case a shower and a hand shower. You just want to flush out any debris, any flux, any solder balls that may be in the lines while they were piping it in, just so you get a good strong flow of water and that your thermal cartridge will work properly. So it's held in with just 4 Phillip head screws. So once you have the 4 screws removed, you're going to need a pair of pliers because there is an O-ring seal sealing it off to the inside of the box. And just grab one of the fins and pull hard, and that is your flush plug. You can see the O-ring seal that wraps around it, and you're ready to put your cartridge in place. We're going to go ahead and insert the cartridge. We're going to use the oval holes. There's 4 of them. This gives you the adjustability, 6 degrees of adjustability, just in case the rough box itself isn't square in the wall. And as you notice, we do have the service stops already installed on this cartridge. And to hold the cartridge in place, we're using the Phillip head screws. So I have the 4 screws, the 4 Phillip head screws in place, and they're loose. I haven't tightened them up yet. So we want to make sure the cartridge is level. So you can rest a level on the black stems coming out, your on-off stems, and make your adjustment. Remember, we have those oval screw holes, and we can just level the unit out like that, and then just go ahead and tighten up the 4 screws. Just double check real quick. Yep. And we're good.